Tableau work in a three stages. In the sense, first we have to create a data, we have to add a data, then we started creating a worksheet based on a data source. Then we started creating a worksheets, different charts we have been created. Once we have been created a different charts, then we started creating a dashboard, right? We have been created a two dashboard. Now we would like to club all together and we would like to present it to someone. Okay, I will not be able to present it here itself like this. Okay, I would like to present it to someone. Okay, then I need to go to a story. I need to tell about what are the things I have been done so far. As a business analyst, what we have to do, we have to analyze data. Once you have been analyzed, we are visualizing a data here. Once you have been visualized, in the sense different charts have been used. Now it is time to tell about the outcomes or what you have been get to know about this one, what you have been understood in from the data. For that we have to write a story. How to write a story here? We have to go to story, select new story. Okay, you have been selected a one story here. Okay, in a story tab. Okay, you can select, see here in story we have a story points here. Okay, story points are nothing but each page in a this one is called as a story point. And these are the things so far you have been created: charts, dashboard. These are the two dashboards, these are the individual charts we have been created so far. And this is a text you can add, and you can change the size here by selecting here. You can change this size. Okay, to any of this size you can change. And if you like to add a title to your storyboard, you can double click here and you can add a title. If you don't want to show the title, you can say show title turn on. Okay, to show the title or to don't show the title, like this. Size you can change here. And then it comes to adding your all the works in a storyline. For example, first you would like to show the bar chart. Okay, we'll select and drag it here. Bar chart has been added. Okay, that is the first page in your story. Then I would like to add one more tab, one more page I would like to add. How to add that one? Blank. Click on a blank. Second page it is added. You can see the first page. You can, this one you can change the name of the page. Double click. You can say country wise. Okay, second page you would like to give the dashboard. Okay, details, like this we can give. Okay, name for this one. And again I would like to take a dashboard here. Okay, second dashboard has been taken in a second page. Need to add one more page. How to add a one more page here? Blank again, so that one more page has been added. One more page has been added. Now we'll say third page. Okay, this is about a third page. What is about a third page? Trend. Okay, this is the name of the page. Like this we can change the name of the page directly. Okay, then if you like to add some text here, you would like to give some description, drag text you have to drag. And you can keep writing a text what you like to write about your story. Then you can format it by using this one. And okay, so that it will be added to your storyline. Okay, it is added to your storyline. You can see like this you can change. Okay, it is added to your storyline. Now for example, if you select this one, first one, okay, second one, okay, third one, like this they can change here by using these buttons. They can change and they can read about what are the things you have been done so far. Okay, changing a page here, you can change the size. If you like to have a title for your story, you can create a title. Double click and say, okay, like this you can create a title for your one. Don't want, don't show. Okay, like this you can hide and show the title. If you like to write anything, drag this one here, click and drag to write anything. If you like to show anything here, click and drag to have it here. It will replace the entire thing. Okay, I don't want to replace. I would like to create one more page. If I like to create a duplicate page of this one, select a duplicate to create a duplicate page. Then again you can write it here, demo. Like this you can change, delete this one, close this one, remove. Like this you can create a duplicate also. If you like to delete this one, if you like to delete this particular page, here select this tab and delete. Okay, like this we can create a storyline in a tab.